are making a Greek salad today. There are two simple secrets to a Greek salad. One is that Greek salad never contains lettuce, and the other secret is to use tomatoes that are ripe as possible. This salad will contain enough for 2 people. Our ingredients list: 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, 1 red onion, 1 green pepper, 10 Kalamata olives, a slice of feta cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and of course, olive oil. Cut your tomatoes down the center after removing the core. Slice each half into quarters. Slice your pepper in half and then slice it into thin sections. Take your cleaned red onion and slice it as thin as you can. The fun part is plating your salad, and here you can get creative. Use a large bowl or a decorative plate, and use the color from the vegetables to make it look amazing. Take your feta and cube it and put it on top. Salt and pepper to taste, and take your oregano and crush it. Be generous with your oregano. Add olive oil the best you can buy. Grill some pita bread, or sometimes you can find naan bread that is nice and thick as this, and serve it with it. The olive oil works with the vegetables to make a sauce at the bottom of the bowl. Here in Greece, we dip our bread in this sauce to our delight. Here's to your delight also.